Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. Saturn. So yes, today we are going to discuss about retrograde Saturn, or what happens if Saturn is retrograde in your chart. We are bound to get certain planets in retro mode. Rahu Ketu are always in retro mode. Moon and Sun both can never become retrograde. They are always chalayaman. They are always in motion. When wherever your sun is posited in a chart from Surya, if any planet is posited 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, then definitely that particular planet is bound to become retrograde. That means due to Surya energy, due to hard or sharp Surya Rashmi, Kiran of Rashmi, these planets are becoming in a retro mode or appearing to become in a retro mode. Actually, they are not, because retrogression has a very beautiful theory about it, and I have already made one video on this retrogression. You all please see to it, and in my description box also I'll put a link of that video. So when Saturn becomes retrograde in our chart, each and every planet which is Vakri does have certain indications, certain importance and certain message for us. Surya is Atma, right? And from Surya, when these planets are becoming retrograde, that means that planets are asking you to do something in your life. First, Saturn's characteristic is Saturn is our, we can say, our karma. Everyone knows about that. That Saturn maintains accounts of our work, whatever type of work, profession, or whatever efforts we are going to do in this life, that is totally ruled by Saturn. That is why Kundali's 10th and 11th house, as per nature's chart, is granted to Saturn, right? And this Saturn has biggest quality of patience. Saturn indicates what is your sustainability. Saturn indicates be patient, be calm, be honest, and wait for your turn to come. We always have our turn to come. It is not that we just have to push others and go ahead. That pushing and going ahead will never give you satisfaction, nor it will make you stand at that position for a longer period of time. And then this Saturn retro will give third aspect on you, and again it will make you to come to your original place, and then again from zero you have to start. This is not only for retro Saturn, but this is for direct Saturn also. Specifically, when Saturn is retro motion, these people do not know what they want to do in life, because this retro Saturn is karma, Saturn is your effort, Saturn is your struggle. Saturn indicates that this type of work, unless and until you do your deeds, unless and until you do your karma, you are not going to survive in this life. Survival doesn't mean that you are not getting food to eat or you are not getting people around you. Survival on your own. Always retro Saturn, people have some or other type of dependency on others. Specifically, if the Saturn is posited in your 12th house of chart and it is becoming retro, or it is in your 6th house of chart, it is in your 8th house of chart, 3rd house of chart and 2nd house of chart, if the Saturn is becoming retro, then definitely your courage, your finance, your deep affinity towards your creativity, your debts, that is your runas, expenditure, as well as your marriage gets some or other way afflicted, or rather than afflicted, I will say some or other way it gets affected, right? So retro Saturn is asking you that do your work dedicatedly. Dedication and surrender. Surrender is the first word of Saturn. If you surrender to Saturn, this Saturn will make you on top. This retro Saturn, whatever planets are coming in our chart in a retro mode, that is holding some signification through your last life. or any past life together. You cannot just say that it is just my last life or something. No, because all the life, all the janma, whatever we are taking, we are carrying some or other type of karmas with us, right? And when this Saturn becomes retro, that is holding one or other karma in itself, that unless and until you will fulfill this desire, you will fulfill this work in this life, then only in your next life you will be having fantastic Saturn position. This is applicable for all other planets also, but for Saturn, as it is karma karaka, because Saturn is the major planet of our chart, through last life it is indicating, when it is retro in your chart, first thing it is indicating that you have leniently lead your life in any of past birth. Secondly, you were totally like without any boundaries, without any fear, or without any after effects, or without thinking about consequences. You lead your life, you did not look after your family, you did not do your karmas in a proper manner, and then this Saturn is becoming retro. And that is why in our chart, or whenever you are showing your chart, you have to understand that this retro Saturn, wherever and which house it is posited, it is asking you to surrender to that particular house signification. If it is posited in your 12th house of chart, you have to surrender yourself towards your rinas. Always there will be some or other type of debts on you. It could be financial debts, or it could be family debts, like always you are dependent on your family members also, money wise also, emotion wise also. So when you get surrender to your life, then definitely the rising of your new life will start. This Saturn will see that yes, what karmas, what type of forfeiting of your deeds you are doing. And by grace of God, if you are having Jupiter aspect on this Vakri Shani, then definitely your life is going to take a good mode to it will channelize you in a very, very perfect manner. But this Saturn retro will make you to do lots and lots of struggles and less of success. You just have to name your success stories or your lost stories. For me, success could be something else. My vision of success could be getting satisfied with little. Your vision of success could be not getting satisfied with ample also. Abundance also is not making you satisfied. This is what Saturn is showing. And definitely this Saturn retro is asking you that you have to be very patient person. You have to be surrendered person, and you just start surrendering yourself towards your deeds, towards that house relationship. Definitely your new rise will start. Then you have to see that where is your Saturn's third aspect, seventh aspect, and 10th aspect is going in your chart. And definitely that house related signification also you have to leave. See, this retro Saturn is nothing like any magic is going to happen. It is like any other planet, but particularly when planets are becoming retrograde, that time it says that just wait for your turn to come. The result is very near. Just have patience, just surrender yourself, just leave everything and trust it. And definitely things will be much, much better in front of you. And whenever Saturn Dasha, Antardasha, or Mahadasha, or Sadesati is coming on your way, and if your Saturn is in retro mode in your chart or in Dasha period also, even though you do not have Saturn retro, but whenever Saturn retro is happening, that time you will definitely experience certain fruits in your life. Do not wait eager and vigorously for your turn. Do not become restless. This is simple message this Shani Maharaj is giving us. But we human sometimes doesn't have patience, doesn't have surrenderness in us. We are always in hurry. So the simple and sober thing about this retro Saturn in your life, just be surrendered, be loyal, be honest, and definitely your rise in your life will happen, because your dependency on others, even though it is there, but still others' dependency will also be on you. Like, even if money wise you are not that much activated, or money wise if you are lacking behind, but because of your thoughts, because of your energy, because of your advices, or because of your moral support, maybe earning people in your family or in your life will be dependent on you. They will take you on their head. Without you, nothing is possible for them. But when it is possible, when you are surrendered. Again and again I am using this word, surrender. And what always Sai Baba says, Shraddha and Saburi, patience, surrender, loyal, honesty, and above everything, accepting the reality. Once you accept the reality that yes, this is my planetary position, or this is my life, even though I do not know my planets, so I am just accepting it wholeheartedly, and I am just passing through this phase very patiently, and ये समय भी निकल जाएगा, this time will also go. So only remedy of Saturn is be surrendered, and always, I always believe that Dashrath Krut Shani Stotra one has to recite every day. Every day, if you have Shani Vakri in your chart, then definitely you have to recite this mantra. Then out of all your struggles, definitely the ray of happiness, the rays of happiness, and everything will be aligned in a proper manner. So this was all about retro Saturn. Next time I will come with another fresh topic. By that time, stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology. And yes, as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.